I'm gonna be swirling and twirling around that tree, okay? I'm the gift. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this $100 glueless wig just like me. Keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Now in today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to get your wig like mine. So if you saw how my wig looked just now in that beginning clip, like this. Yeah, that one. Make sure you keep on watching. First things first, I'm not washing my wig, okay? Because she comes pretty cute out the pack and I wanna take advantage of that shine. But for you, wash your wig. Please understand, when you wash your wig for the first time, you will need to blow dry and press her back out to get her like this, okay? So do not expect it to snap back to this after the wash. So do as I say, not as I do, okay? Speaking of doing what I do, if you plan on wearing this wig out the pack, don't be freeballing that cap. Put the wig cap on immediately. This is gonna be a real easy install. I got things to do, AKA take a nap. I just wanted to show you the wig, okay? I wanted to show you how this was gonna look on me. Where is my powder? Here we go. This is a 7x5 closure cap and I will be wearing this unit glueless. It comes with all the security, no combs on the side, thank you, but it does have the comb in the back with the upgraded elastic band and the drawstring. So tightening down that drawstring and that band together will get your wig stuck. Let's blend our lace. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the medium to dark shade, and I'm using the contour and sculpt shades. So a mixture of the two, mix it on up, then I'm gonna brush around the edge of that lace. I like doing this in the beginning because I don't want to leave a harsh line on my lace if I was to blend it, you know, solely at the end. And now we just gonna put this on my head. Actually, no, I'm not. Because this wig is out the pack, it does have that, you know, that warehouse smell. Spray your wig down with some dry shampoo, wig perfume, or some type of hairspray that has a fragrance to it to help with that, you know, that smell. Now, if you wash your wig, again, you won't have the smell. But because we're wearing this out the pack, spray it down. So I'm gonna use my dry shampoo just to kind of help with that. Just a little dusting because I don't want it to turn white. Let me just tighten my elastic band just a smidge. All right, bring this over. Oh, wait a minute. But the fit is great. Okay, that fits really nicely. Let me tighten down my drawstring in the back. My head is 23 gang gang. Okay, so we big up in here and it's fitting down really nice. Tighten that and then we're gonna lock it in place. Make sure you lock it. Tuck the excess. Y'all see how that fit around there? That's a lot of, let me move that back a little bit. That's too much on my forehead. There we go. Now with this hairline, it's straight across. We don't want straight across. We want to have some movement up in here. So I know the trick. Use an Nairobi mousse and we're going to put it around our hairline, about 2 pumps on each side. You don't need too much. And then I'm going to take my fingers and swirl down the hair to break up that hairline. This helps bring down the hair in a more wispy fashion, okay? You can cut where you need to cut if you need to. I don't want it straight back. I want it to kind of have a curve to the hairline. I'm just showing y'all how this is wearable out the pack, so I don't want to pluck anything. Move the hair in a more natural direction. Going this way. There we go. Y'all see how we did that? Again, it's a closure wig, so your lace stops right on the side here. 7x5, 7 inches across the front. I can use that for an upstyle if I wanted to. And then we're gonna wrap it down. From what I saw in the packaging, it does have like a little layer right here in the front. We are gonna use that. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high and I'm gonna blow through the hair to kind of bump my ends a bit. See how those layers kind of help with that feathering effect in the front? Okay, thank you, Nadula. Looking good. The movement is there. Let me back up a little bit. Bring that down. Let me flatten out the top here. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high and hot and just flatten out any bumps that I have up here. Make sure it's good in the back. think it is. Let me take off the band. Ooh, how we looking? Let me see. Okay, I can cut that for sure. And I think I can cut this one. Just cut that off. Same thing over here. Why am I trying to do this in the dark? Put your glasses on. Take my brush here. Just make sure the hair that I want down is down and the hair that I want back is back. That mousse is a mold, not a hold. So if I lift this wig up, it's gonna come up, and I don't care to lift it. Leave it where it is. Now, if you want a higher bump or you want your bump to stay, just take a curling iron and you just press it against the hair like that to kind of bump the hair up. Mine already did it because of how I had the band on here, but I had that curling iron there just in case. That's how my edges are looking. Very soft. Hold up, my eyebrows look real heavy. I don't like that. Brush the hair one more again. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Put it on a flat brush, and I'm gonna add some to my parting space here. Kind of clean up those knots. Even though the knots are tiny, you can still see them in certain lighting. Finishing touch. If I wanted to pull some hair out right here, I could do that. Just right here. It's too much right there on that hairline, so I'm gonna pull that out. There we go. It's pretty good right there, but I want to get this little piece right here. Not much, it's just a little bit. See how it opened it up like that? I have a little bit of oil sheen here. Just finish it up. Get my lip gloss. Take my brush and just flatten out any flyaways. Very pretty, very pretty. Y'all, do y'all see this wig? Correction, my hair. I went and got a perm real quick, natural wear. This looks great, out the pack. Listen, who's at that checkpoint, Nadula? Huh? Who is at that table? Give them a bonus. They pressed this hair into oblivion. You hear me? I didn't do too much. Okay, it was already swirling and twirling out the pack, and I'm gonna be swirling and twirling around that tree. Okay, I'm a gift. It looks great, and it's still glueless. Look, all the way around. All the way around. The yak is back, and I'm here for it. If I want to put this wig up in an up style, I can do that. Do like a little half up, half back situation. I am here for it, and you should be too. Okay, that price point is nice. Okay, about $100 with that coupon code. So, you know, get in where your pockets fit in. Ooh, come on, movement. Come on, movement. And the layer in the front, perfect. No tangling with this unit, but I did get some shedding a little bit, and that matches what I have experienced from their Yaki textures in the past. So nothing new with that, but that's pretty much it. I'm not going to harp too long on this wig because, you know, people got to see me outside. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.